So vlog girl, it's the night. I'm about to leave. I mean Keela they a reason. I don't wanna see when I vlog them come down because Keela never like how she look when she wake up.
Stop.
So she tell me if I take it down and I did take it down. You see me? So probably waiting if we edit it back I just continue and do vlog and left it alone. You have to pick you say take it down. So alright, when you say take it down, me I left it alone and just do some other vlog. But me I left in the morning. Right now, me I pray if me for take her snake. See him there right this one. Me I come back in the next 2 weeks. Remember? I probably come back for your birthday or before your birthday. So me I make you know. Me I go get ready for pack up my bag right now. Edit one vlog, so I'm probably watch a vlog there already, but me I go pack up my bag right now and eat, get something to eat. And we'll do it for your vlog. So Keela, I got school. You work tomorrow? Well, Saturday.
Me work Saturday?
What's Saturday?
Yeah, me work Saturday.
Yeah. So, Atlanta, I got to go. Look, I watch a flash of fake here in my face, man.
Buy my bundles. Don't buy my bundles. Pay fee.
You know, say, me just in a some little mix up all the good one girl at one gas station.
Shall I buy my bundles?
What?
You buy my bundles?
You keep on the top about your bundles. Me almost lose my life.
I'm gonna fight. Come.
No, one girl. We meet one girl at gas station and her baby father call her. And she never come out of my car.
Oh.
She never come out of my car, so I end up.
See, that's why you have a blicky.
But me have a fake baby mother in Canada too, you know.
You can't say that on the vlog.
Yeah, we can say it. Me have a fake baby mother and me have one crazy ex. Me have a whole heap of girlfriend. They're stressful.
Make them buy my bundle.
Oh, you want me to ask them?
Yes.
Ask my girlfriend them to buy your bundles, no?
Yeah.
Ask the girl me a date, no? No. You all of them have money too, you know?
Exactly.
So ask them, say, my niece's birthday a come up and she need bundles.
Right.
So tell them.
No. See now that them a buy, man nobody want 22 inch, 130 inch.
Tell them so.
Yeah.
So uncle girl them where my date?
Right. I don't know where he is, but he can sponsor me.
Say uncle girls where my date? You have to say S cause more than one of them. So say it, say uncle.
Hello future aunties.
I thought we all laugh too loud, I go wake up them. We go wake them up. So say it again. So future aunties. My birthday coming up.
Right.
And I need my what 42 inches.
No, 42 inch too long.
How much?
Can give me 30.
Jesus,
No.
32 inches.
No, just 30.
Yes, Keela want her 32
Right.
inches.
30.
Keela want her 30 inches.
Right.
And what else? You know, on the shoes we go with it. Cause me
No, I'm buying shoes already.
Alright, cool. So, just your ear.
Yeah.
So, aunties, yeah, tell them now you auntie, you know.
Them get it, man.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, we're back again in Keela's room. Oh, hang on.
Yes, sir. Yeah. No,
So, we're leaving right now. Keela got school.
Stop.
Keela got school and I'm gonna take. Think if me for carry me now this one just before this. But I'm gonna bite me. Okay, I'm bad. So as you can see, packing up the truck to leave again. It's my thing. Just say bye to everybody. And I never get to see Ailey. She there on the pool table. For her father see her. She dead. Come Ailey. Ailey. Come on. Cheese. Cheese. Who's that? Who's that, Ailey? Ailey? So vlog world right now with the power we're heading back. My police are back at me. I'm just turn on the video just in case nothing happens. Mirror, the man turn on him light, me go get pulled over. So flag girl, me get pull over. Them pull me over, send me that speed. I don't think I was speeding though, honestly. Because I want to pee. I wait for the police officer to come back. Let me get a speeding ticket. Damn, dog. We gonna everything in here. Jesus Christ. Father God, guide and protect me. Me never hit a speed, you know. Vlog will walk on, rain or fall. You see me? One movie I play. A mad thing. The sound quality look good. But I be a rain. You know say, after me get pulled over, me I think to myself, me not deserve that ticket there. You don't deserve it. I'm going to court. Mr. Officer Man, see you in court. I hope my camera them catch it, you know. I hope the camera them catch it. I'm seeing him in court. I'm fighting it. I'm going to fight it. Mommy and Daddy, if you watch this, I wasn't speeding. He's lying on me. Glad me have everything. Did I record, you know? Hopefully. But yeah, we're there. Probably 2 hours in till we reach home. And I'm a thing. I want to sleep. The snake right there, so build with me. We're going to do it free vlog. So, when we reach back on my side, I'm probably going to grab a food and come back to you. I'm not going to know what I'm going. You see me? The drive was crazy, but I made it back safe. Thanks to my mother prayer, I'm still there. You see me? When I play one voice note, what she sent me.
God is so good, Chris Andrew. God is so good. God drive with you, go straight home back. Straight home back. Him there with him sit down in the seat with you. Him the one side and you the one side. Him there in front of the steering. And then you driving or God drive you. Go straight through. Thank you for you reach home. And you're alright. Alright, tomorrow we talk here. Alright, love you.
My mother very emotional, you don't appear on the mind. But I know she should watch a vlog, yeah. She probably gonna cuss me if you put the part in it. I don't care. But we reach home, we set up the snake tank, see me, he might move more lively now. Kila, we know you watch a vlog. As you can see, you see him over there, so move. Welcome to your new home. Vlog world, go find a name for him. In the comment section, I want to know give me a name for him, you see me? I'm gonna get one computer table to and put it there so. My thing for him right now. Him find a new home, you see me? But me there, I'm glad you know see me I mix the entertainment with the real life vlog. So sometimes I go get a little excitement, entertainment skip vlog. And then sometimes I go get the real life, my life, you see me? Because I don't want to stop showing the real me, you know? But thanks for watching. As I said again, today was something else. And I'm a thing. Remember guys, my headphone them soon drop. My other boxer just now a whole heap more. So open me drop the link, wanna support it. In the description, you can check out my music, them every other social media platform. And I just I'm gonna end the vlog, you know. I'm gonna edit this about. Hey Alexa, what time is it?
Your device is offline.
Jesus Christ.
Swipe down from the top of your screen.
2 minutes over there, look at my internet kick off. But I can fix it. Mad up on yourself, thanks for watching. Remember to like. I'm a thing.
Father Depot.
Father.
Fully.
You catch it at a lie?
Outside a lie.
Rich a lie?
Bumbuckler.
Me couldn't forget the night when me get in I'm alive. Best pussy when me ever fall. God damn it, it's so tight.